Are you a landscape photographer who only wants to photograph epic mountains, thunderous seascapes, atmospheric forests, and get super uninspired by driving around in your landscapes and only see fields upon fields upon fields? Then this course is for you, because I was thinking exactly the same. With Denmark being the most cultivated country in all of Europe, I know full well how it is to long for the mountains, but driving around the landscapes, you get nothing but boring rye fields. However, once I figured out how to photograph the rural and agricultural landscapes, when you are given lemons and are forced to make lemonade, then this type of landscape photography has delivered some of my absolute personal favorite photos. I am so happy to be able to release this 7 hours and 21 videos course that I've worked more than a year to produce. In Mastering Rural Landscape Photography, I want to teach you how to photograph landscapes highly influenced by humans and used for agriculture. We are going to explore what to photograph, how to photograph, when to photograph, and how to find interesting locations, and I of course cover composition, settings and highly useful techniques throughout the course. We are of course also going into the field with not just 1, 2 or 3 separate cases, but 6. Yes, 6. I cover how to photograph a blue sky day, a moody day, how I find a new location and work it through the seasons, how to photograph directly into the sun, how to make complex focus stacking, and in a half-hour special where I visit the beautiful wine fields of Alsace in France, I cover how I photograph both planned out sunset and blue hour photos, and how I improvise to get the most out of the trip. And all this without requiring specialized gear. If you own a tripod and a camera that has manual mode and shoots RAW, you're good to go. And no landscape photography course is complete without editing. This is by far my most comprehensive standalone course I've ever made, with 12 start to finish editing videos that progress in difficulty. I cover everything from curating your photos and basic editing, over how to batch edit photos, edit using masking, making simple time blending, edit blue sky photos, moody photos, sunrise photos, edit HDR photos, complex focus stacking, to blending blue hour and sunset photos to make them pop. All this while respecting the light and avoiding the editing mistakes I repeatedly see online. I emphasize how to direct the viewer's attention through the photo, how to make your subject stand out, how to balance the tones of the photo, and much more. If you struggle with finding inspiration in rural and agricultural landscapes, this course is for you. To celebrate the release of this 7 hours and 21 videos course on Mastering Rural Landscape Photography, you can get entire 25% off the regular price of $129 US. This discount only lasts a week, so it ends next Sunday. You can find the link and coupon code in the description of the video. A massive thank you to all of you who've supported me over the years. It's because of you I can keep making free educational landscape photography videos here on YouTube. And if you want to see a video about rural landscape photography, check out the video on the screen right here and get the course via the link down in the description of the video.